On, he's not moving, he's not going anywhere, and he'll let go when I get there to get him off the suspect. I'm not going to do it here because, once again, it's all a game to them, and the reward is the corporal's arms.
Oh, he's like, we're good. He's like, I got you. He's like, don't you understand? Look at his little paws. He's like, I don't
Those chipper.
not letting go.
Those chipper.
That big mouth. Once again, it goes back to these dogs aren't like aggressive, angry attack dogs. As you see, the suspect was a corporal. He got his reward. He's done. He's not trying to go after him for anything. So this is part of the initial training too, and then so also one of the things to help with holding on to the suspect.